I graduated from Beaverton High School in 1994, 30 years ago, yep. Started working at Skanska as an intern, and then I just worked my way up to senior vice president. Now I oversee, this is one of my projects, several other school projects and also hospital projects. I look at my high school years fondly. It was a great time for me. I think I was fairly studious. I love sports, so I played football and track, loved both football and track. In 1992, we were Metro League champs. So I found our Metro League champ track. I haven't found the football one still. It is a little bit sad knowing that this is gonna all come down. It's also really exciting. I'm just thinking about the future and what this campus is gonna be. It's just gonna be a much better school. We're trying to take as much of the, some of the history and some of the elements, preserving that and putting that into the new building. We're taking some of the gym floor over and installing that in the new building. We also are taking some of the paneling from the theater, and that's going to go into the new theater just to continue on with some of the tradition here. We demolished Merle Davies. That's where we had math class. This is one of the bricks that came from Merle Davies. They were actually handed out at the groundbreaking ceremony. So I took one of these bricks because it's a special project to me and has some meaning, and I keep it here on my desk. Our focus is projects that are for communities and for just enriching the overall community and people. School projects is one of those that does that definitely. And being a part of projects that are meaningful, it's something that all of us are excited about being part of every single project. The fact that I went to this high school and I just have that much more commitment to this project and know how much more it means to this community that I'm a part of.